Hi everyone, Shaz here. I'm going to walk you through how to set up LLUMO, the ultimate reliability layer for your AI agents. So you go to your favorite browser and you write down www.LLUMO.in. So once you are over our website, you can just go towards the sign up button over the top right and you click on sign up. The sign up is super easy. Either you can sign up with your Google account or any of your work email. So for this demo purpose, I already have created my account, so I'm just going to sign in. So once you are signed in, everything in LLUMO starts with integrating your current pipeline with LLUMO. And we have made sure that you don't have to entirely rip out your system just for an evaluation tool to fit in. So we have made sure that all the integration process that we have is super easy. So either you can upload your logs directly to LLUMO or you can do the SDK integration. And we have made sure that it is a lightweight SDK. It will be done in just 10 minutes. Most teams take around just 10 to 15 minutes. So once you are done with this integration, you can just honestly forget about it. LLUMO will start capturing all the logs from all the runs from your system, platform, or app, whatever you want to say. And it's going to assign three status for it. A success status, which basically means the run has been executed well. A warning sign, symboled as yellow, which says something can go wrong in the future. And we have a red critical sign, which says the run hasn't been executed well. If I click over the explore button, I could see the exact trace details, like what was the query, what was the output, how much tokens were consumed, what was the model used, etc. And if I click on the debug lens, I can see the exact step-by-step evaluation that my LLUMO has done in order to evaluate this run. So each run is broken down into different step-by-step evaluation process, and each step has its own metrics through which we are analyzing each step. So when this matrix fits well, this step has been passed, and when all the steps has been passed, the entire run is passed. But over this case, there is an error, and you could see the exact reasoning why these are happening, and at the same time, you could see the metrics have gone down as well. Now, you can't just go through each and every run. It's just going to get pretty tiring quickly, right? So what we have over here is a filter section. So you can filter out whatever the issues that you want to focus on. Like for example, here for this demo purpose, let's take an example of hallucination. If I click over hallucination, it's going to filter out all the runs in my pipeline that has hallucination in it. And if I click on debug, confirm and continue, in the backend, it's going to generate a report that will tell me exactly what is the reason why these hallucinations are happening, and at the same time what you need to do in order to fix that issues as well. It takes usually 10 to 15 minutes to generate these reports. Once these while these reports are being generated, you could connect your Slack with LLUMO so that you could give all the errors that are happening directly sent towards your team so that they can allocate their time quickly in order to fix those issues as well. So for this example, let's take the report that LLUMO has generated for hallucination. If I click on see full insights, I can see the exact runs, how many runs in my pipeline has hallucinations in it. And I could see the exact runs over here. And if I click over any of this, I could again see the exact step-by-step evaluation that LLUMO has done. And over here, you could see a flowchart which helps you to get an Hawkeye view of your entire pipeline. At the same time, you could see down here the exact root cause issue why these hallucinations are happening. If you notice, these are not surface level errors or just a pass or fail check. These are exact root cause issues why these hallucinations are coming up in your pipeline. And at the same time, if you scroll a bit, you could see the exact changes that we recommend in order to fix these issues. Like for example, if I click over the first card, you could see the exact change in the prompt that needs to be done in order to fix these issues. So once you're done with these four major changes, you will be eliminating hallucination to a much further extent. We have one more feature called the simulate in with fix. If you want to test these changes or these insight that we are developing before you even touch production, we have this simulate with fix feature. You can basically simulate how these changes are going to be in your production. And based on these simulations, you can tweak things or make necessary changes that you need to take. Once you are done with this, you can move over to our observability dashboard. It's going to help you understand where are the things where you need to focus on. Like for example, we are going to assign an overall score. You could see progress on latency, cost, tool call issues, high cost, incorrect outputs, hallucinations, rack quality. Whenever you have uploaded a new knowledge base or made some changes in your pipeline, you could see how much issues have gone up, down, or whatever the changes that needs to be done in order to fix them as well. Over the left side, you could see most occurring issues. right, which are happening in your pipeline so that you can utilize your team's time according to that. At the same time, here you have actionable steps to instantly fix a couple of issues in your pipeline as well. And here again, you can get a flow chart which gives you an entire Hawkeye view of your pipeline. So that's it. That's what LLUMO is, the ultimate reliability AI agents for your AI agents. Connect your app quickly in just under 15 minutes, gets the log, filter out whatever issues you have, generate the report, get insights into why these are happening in your pipeline, and fix those issues before you even touch production. Thank you.